Alright, we're going to be going over how I am converting the Miata or SPR1 to fit these wheels 5x114. There's the adapter plate. I have everything in. I took it all apart after putting it all together so I could show you how it works. This is a factory replacement wheel hub. These are where the old lug nuts came through, or lug studs came through for the 4x100. So this adapter bracket right here is a 4x100 to 5x114 conversion adapter, and it's made for Audi. So you're supposed to be able to, they have lug bolts instead of lug studs that come through. So you're supposed to be able to bolt that right on, but you can't because we have lug studs. So I had to take it to a machine shop and have them drill me a 4x100 pattern with the right threading. Now you won't be able to do this with a factory wheel hub because they are naturally thicker in where these come through. But if you look, it's the same thickness all the way around on these ones, the replacement ones. So I'm going to show you how this goes together and see how it goes. Okay, so this is essentially how it's supposed to work on the Audi, and I just modified the Miata wheel hub to make it work that way. So I just need to put the brake caliper back on the wheel, and that's it. All right, there you have it. 5x114 wheel on a Miata.